hindi ito yung kauna-unahang beses na nagkaroon ng pagpaslang ng mayor ng Macunaon. In 2009, Mayor Francisco Talosig, also mayor of Macunaon, was killed by a lone unidentified male gunman. 45 ang pinutok sa kanya, tinamaan sa leeg, after several months of coma, ay namatay. So there is some, hindi natin alam kung two isolated events ito or magkakonekta ito, but this is not the first time that but it is, ang point ko lang ganito, no? A small town in a remote area of Isabela, on the coast facing the Pacific, no? Halos na sa Cagayan na ito, di ba? In a span of 3 years, 2 mayors have been shot. Diba? So, kaya mariing kong nire-remind si RD at si Police Chief at pati na rin ang kabuuan ng PNP na alamin natin ang kabuuan nito because this might not be two isolated events and maybe in other words, whatever are the connections, malalaman at malalaman.